Hello everyone, this is Chicagoland Dashcam and Drives. This video is going to be an update to determine the fate of this channel. I am back to college in Pittsburgh to pursue a master's degree, which means I am no longer living in Chicago. Dashcam footage of Pittsburgh indicates that I did drive my Toyota RAV4 7.5 hours from Chicago to Pittsburgh, including stops that I completed in the third week of August. Effective immediately since the upload of this video, the channel name is now switched to Chicburgh Dashcam to reflect that I am both living in Pittsburgh and Chicago. The move equates to a revision on how videos will be uploaded to the renamed Chicburgh Dashcam channel. First revision is I will put bad driving compilations on hold on the channel. The reason is because graduate school is harder than undergrad school, as you'll be studying most of the time outside of the classroom. As a graduate student, I find that there is a lot more reading to be done than my undergrad years, conflicting my time to edit videos to do bad driving compilations. Bad driving compilations take a long time for me to edit, especially the newer ones, as there is talking, adding text, adding music, and render time. Studying is my priority, which means I won't have enough time to make a long list of bad drivers on this channel that is showing Pittsburgh. An exception to bad driving clips on my channel are if I catch crashes, road rages, close calls, or interesting things worthy enough during my drive. These dedicated clips take less than a day to edit, as it won't conflict significantly with my study time. However, I will still submit bad drivers from Pittsburgh or anyone else where else in PA to bad drivers caught on Dashcam's channel that are intriguing enough to be featured on his channel. Besides studying commitments, the second to last reason is the decrease in viewership on bad driving compilations are a factor why I am no longer featuring them. Ever since I started narrating, my views on bad driving compilations have tanked significantly. For those who have stayed with me since I started uploading bad driver compilations in 2020, my views on compilations from June 2023 or older have greater viewership than the current compilations I upload. My theory is that viewers either don't like my new narration on animal nicknames, or what bad drivers of Caught on Dashcam mentions, the large Dashcam channels are taking it over. Animal nicknames are given to certain bad drivers to spice up content as a way to make bad driving clips more engaging. I'm not a professional comedian, but I'm trying my best to make bad driving clips as intriguing as possible. The animal behavior comparison to a bad driver is a punchline to conclude his or her bad driving actions. You guys would think I'm making stuff up, like if that is the case, you are taking it literally. The idea of animal nicknames is an inspiration from my undergrad orientation, where my classmates are given animal nicknames to spice up college fun. In contrast with my animal nickname narration, viewers these days that bad drivers on Caught on Dashcam states don't pay attention to Dashcam channels like mine to favor large Dashcam channels. I viewed other Dashcam channels like Greta Dashcam, Dashcam Out East, Let's Ride Illinois, and I'm talking to you bad drivers and Caught on Dashcam. Your videos are professional with your voiceover with 2 observations. When I click the popular tab, the majority of the highest viewer clips I observed date back to the late 2010s. Even 2020 and 2021 have a higher number of views in my opinion than Dashcam clips released today. For those who disagree with me, you can put in the comments below where do you think Dashcam channels peaked out. That could prove that large corp Dashcam channels such as Dashcam Lessons, RRBD Driving School, drawing viewers to their channels. I used to submit my clips to these channels, which I discontinued due to the massive amount of trolling I receive. Many of the comments on these channels, in my observation, are attempting to twist the story to put the camera the blame for the incident. These large corp Dashcam channels tolerate toxic viewers putting comments that put the content creator of the video down. It sounds like the purpose of those large Dashcam channels that consist of submitted clips is solely for the clicks and views. no policy on mean comments. Moving forward, I'm going to discuss uploading bad driver shorts. Just like the traditional dedicated videos, shorts that will be uploaded are road rages, close calls, and interesting things. Certain bad driving habits can make it onto shorts if it sounds engaging enough to watch. Shorts clips have the highest viewership on my channel, so this is definitely going to continue. The short clips will be more than just bad drivers to further diversify the channel. For example, things to see in Pittsburgh, things to eat, and maybe some joy rides. It's all part of the plan. Apart from dashcam clips from Chicago and Pittsburgh, I'm going to try something new that includes clips from abroad where I got the chance to drive. The country I'll start with is Turkey, as I travel there annually this decade. Every time I go to Turkey, there is always a chance me and my family are doing road trips around the country. This year, I was able to purchase a plug-in dashcam to use on vacations to capture clips. My old dashcam that where I plugged in with a cigarette lighter got thrown out, so I got a replacement of mine. It was first used in my Turkey trip this year, so I'm able to capture Turkish roads that I could feature on this channel. It'll be a nice diversifying change as you'll be able to see my dashcam clips during my Turkish vacation. Likewise, Turkish dashcam clips will mark the continuation of my dashcam drives. My next dashcam drive clip I'm going to be featuring is a Turkish freeway, which they call the otoyls, which is kept mysterious until I upload my first Turkish clip. Besides Turkey, dashcam drives in America will continue to be uploaded whether it is Pittsburgh, Chicago, or anywhere around the country whenever I have the time. I still find it less time consuming as it requires less effort than bad driving compilations. Some dashcam drives have annotations, some don't. As expressed, my YouTube channel is going to continue with the revised policies I have gone over to fit my current grad schedule. Thank you guys for viewing this update video on my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.